Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roland, I'm a professional trader, and today we have a nice strategy for you. So let's begin. Watch this video till the end, because at the end of the video of course you will get part of my profit. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can increase your chances. Let's get started. So we on the broker. Today I have analyzed and selected all currency pairs with the most optimal movement pattern. You can see this selection before your eyes, of course. Today I have OTC market, which means that all our currency pairs have a high percentage of payments. In general, this is a great opportunity to make good money. And let's start with the deal of $200. This is exactly half of my balance, as you can see. And all trades on the 1 minute time frame, of course. Today we will monitor the intra-channel movement, and for this I have selected the following indicators: fractal, Bollinger Bands with the period 13 deviation 2, and 2 RSI oscillators, guys. I will have the first with a period of 7, and the second I will have with the period of 10. I will leave the overbought and oversold areas at default, 70 and 30. That's parameters suit me quite well. Today we will also be guided by local maximums and minimums. I will try to find them, of course, and in effect today I will randomly build all indicators of our indicators. So today I will try to explain, as always, in each position in detail, so by the end of the trade you will understand it and know how to make money. So let's begin. Let me select the first currency pair. Alright, let's open here short position. A relatively good entry point. Of course, I don't particularly understand the dynamics of the direction here. After updating the global maximum, guys, perhaps the trend will change its direction along and then it will go down. But nevertheless, there is a signal touching the upper Bollinger Band. In fact, my local maximum should be updated here. The moving lines of the oscillators are in the overbought area, to be more precise. An oscillator with a period of 10, right, is about to cross this area and head down. And from the second oscillator, I observe a touch and a rebound from this area. So let's look at the results. We have 10 seconds. And position is in profits. That's great. Our first position for today's session. Excellent entry point. It worked despite all my concerns. I'm happy with this result. Now let's continue, and I will select the next currency pair for you. Okay, here I'll probably try to open a trade for long, also for $200. Maybe, yeah, here again I have a not entirely clear-cut trade. The dynamics may again continue their downward direction, but here I was guided by this area of touch points. I see that my price bounced off well from these price levels and went up during the last part of the movement. So I guess, yeah, let's try it on. Let's try to test this theory. There was also a reversal along the moving lines touching the oversold area, and in theory here the price dynamics can easily follow upward. So there was also an update of the local minimum, of course, a little earlier, and the lower Bollinger Band touched. So let's look at the result. And the second position is on profit, guys. You can see strategy works, everything clear and not hard. Without any problems, we closed our position. Opening the timing was correct. That is, I saw that a Greek candle was appearing, and I assumed that I had the potential to move upward, and I decided to open position for long. In general, I turned out to be absolutely right. I did it in a minute, of course, and closed the deal without any problems, with applause. So I'll continue to open in the amount of $200. Why not? Let's select the next currency pair. Okay, long position here, guys. Let's try 2 in the direction of the actual dynamics of the trend. Here here I think more that I still have an upward trend and I perceive this part of the movement. So good price rollback. Here I touched the lower Bollinger Band, the local minimum for the fractal is updated, and I think that the further dynamics should go up in the direction of the actual dynamics of the trend. And I think there should be more of this type of movement, also exiting the oversold areas of the sell layers. Let me just point out. Let's look at this result of this position. Alright, and another one is in profits, guys. That's great. I think the next minute I got it. Like the opening timing was correct, and the deal was closed with a profit. Perhaps, yeah, in general, dynamics of the trend are, of course, not entirely clear here. There are both downward and upward volumes, but nevertheless, I'm in a profit. I'm happy. Let's also continue with the $200 per position, and I will select the next currency pair. Alright, here most likely I probably want to open a long position. I'll tell you why. I think that further upward dynamics should prevail. Here, judging by the nature of the movement, perhaps the opening level was not entirely successful. It was possible to open on a downward impulse, but nevertheless, guys, anyway, this level is generally acceptable for me. So there is a good upward dynamics, right? And there was a price rollback, fractal was formed, and then my price followed up. It reached the previous price maximum, right, as you can see, and the fractal was not updated here yet, so which means I concluded that my movement will go higher and the price maximum will be updated several price levels higher. So that's why I opened the long, and the trade closed in profit just right now. That's great. Good result for now. I guess let's continue. Good profit with the $200, of course, and let's continue. Alright, guys, here I'll probably immediately open a sharp long position against the direction of the trend. I immediately saw a good opening level, so let's look at this area of support, and it worked quite well for us. From this price level, my price was repealed and went up. In general, why not? It also happens here, touching the lower Bollinger Band. In fact, the local minimum along the fractal should be updated, and here I also observe a reversal of the moving lines from the oversold areas. So let's look at the result of this transaction. And this level is still working out. The price is going up for me. In general, there was a fairly good opening level, so here I open against the direction of the trend without any problems. Let's consolidate result. We will probably open the final position in the amount of $200. In general, even if my transaction goes negative, I will not be very upset since I have already made a profit, great profit for today's trading. So let's continue. Okie dokie, guys, let's open a position here, long one, relatively good opening level, but here it's possible that further price dynamics will go lower since my oscillator moving lines have not yet crossed the oversold area, and here I was in a hurry, in a little rush. The only thing that can save me in this transaction is this level, right? At this price level of movement, the price also pushed back and went up. went up below moving average of the channel indicator, also touched. In fact, my fractal should be updated, but here it's possible that my price could go down, but actually it didn't do this, and this level worked perfectly for me. So right now we're gonna be in the profits. Nice, good reversal, and overall the trade was closed with no problems in the black. Now, I mean, in the profit. Now, excellent trading, guys. Just ideal, I guess. Not so rash, you know, like $200. We're not risking at all. Every position was a profit. We made a nice profit in $1,000. So I guess we can fix it, and then moving to the conclusion. Alright guys, successful is done. So thank you for watching the video. I wish you like this strategy. I wish you will try this strategy. Don't risk too, just be easy with it and try it on. Leave in the comments your experiences with this strategy, how much profit did you made, and also don't forget about likes, alright, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel, where you can find a lot of information and strategies below in the little description. Have a good market. Bye bye.